Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix blank icons in Windows 11 as well as the desktop icon not shown in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, right click, go to your run and type a command is percentage local app data and percentage. After opening that, click on these three dots and go to your options. Click on these three dots. Click on views, show, and make sure that hidden item is selected. So check our hidden items, scroll down, and after that delete the icon caches. Delete it. After that, close it. After that, right click, go to your task manager, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Click on restart. After restarting that, restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.